This is what it looks like when a family in Amsterdam needs a sitter tonight. In 2 minutes, you can be one of the people who sees it. Here's how to get your listing up. Most sitter platforms work one direction. You put up a profile, and then you wait for a parent to scroll far enough to find you. RaisingAmsterdam adds the part that was missing. When a family needs someone at short notice, they post an SOS, and every sitter sees it at the same moment. Parents are being invited to the app soon. Be in the list before they arrive. Start at RaisingAmsterdam.com and tap Get Started. You can use Google or just your email. We send you a sign-in link, no password to remember. Click the link and the app takes you straight to step 2. Pick I offer babysitting or a service. And it doesn't have to be babysitting. Tutoring and homework help. Music and language lessons. Kids yoga, sports and crafts. Birthday parties and entertainers. Playgroups. And everything for the parents too. Doulas, sleep coaches, parenting coaches, maternity nurses. If you work with families in Amsterdam, this is your place. Part 1. What you offer. A title. Parents will actually read. Say your neighborhood. Parents skim, so in the description say who you've looked after, what languages you speak, and when you're usually free. 3 or 4 sentences is plenty. Pick the ages you work with and your rate, or leave it open. Part 2. Your WhatsApp number and your postcode. Not from Amsterdam. Just type 4 zeros. Then, publish. That's it. You're live. One thing sitters always ask. Your phone number never shows on your profile. A parent only gets it after they ask through the app. Nobody copies your number off a page. Listing is free. Put yours up at RaisingAmsterdam.com. The link is below. And if this helped, subscribe to Raising World Kids. More apps for parents at RaisingAmsterdam.com.